Samsung tablets and phones already have the best screens going, with bright and pixel-dense Super AMOLED display panels. Now, by including HDR technology, Samsung is making them even better. High dynamic range, HDR, gives the same 2048 by 1536 quad HD resolution, higher contrast ratios and brighter highlights. This is especially important in darker movie scenes in which you tend to lose too much of the picture to shadow. The Tab S3 support of the new HDR10 standard is actually a bigger deal than if Samsung packed a 4K screen into a 9.7-inch tablet. The expanded brightness range does more than extra pixels would at this small size. More pixels matter when you're dealing with a larger 4K television. Here's the problem: there's not a lot of HDR video content available today. It's being rolled out with streaming video services like Amazon Video and Netflix already on board on Samsung, LG and Sony TVs, but we weren't able to find HDR video on these services at the tablet's launch. Instead, we had to rely on Samsung HDR demos and movie trailers to enjoy what's ultimately the future of video. It's definitely a jump up in quality, but as the content isn't here yet, you're playing in advance for a tablet that will deliver that improved quality soon, but not right now. That makes the Tab S3 an amazing technical feat, but a hard sell to average consumers at launch. What you can take advantage of right now are the quad speakers on the Tab S3. They reach a more powerful volume than what we've heard from the Mono Tab S2 and so many other tablets. Better yet, they're calibrated to your movements. So as you rotate the tablet, the stereo speaker orientation changes, so you're never holding it the wrong way for sound. As long as you're not expecting deep bass, these AKG tuned quad HD speakers go ear to ear with those on the equally rich sounding iPad Pro 9.7. You can get some bass out of the Tab S3 with the right headphones, which you're probably going to use more often when roaming with this tablet in public. And good news: this tablet has both a 3.5mm headphone jack on the bottom of the frame, and supports Bluetooth 4.2. No one is getting rid of headphone jacks in tablets, yet.